Hello, this is our group's project, Turning the Tide with Microfragmentation. My name is Emilio Sanchez, and my group mates are Nian Truong, Maddie Williams, and Ayla Crowell. Global warming is affecting coral reefs around the world. Bleaching occurs when surrounding water exceeds a coral reef's natural range of tolerance, and as a result, the reef begins to bleach and die. Coral fragmentation is a method of slicing coral samples into smaller fragments to let them regrow at a faster rate than they would in nature. Our group's objective was to see which fragment size would regrow at the fastest rate over 6 weeks. But due to a lack of experience, money, and time, a set of results that was both conclusive and reliable was failed to be produced.
Hello, my name is Young Chung, and this is the methods and materials section for our group's project. So here we have the tank and the equipment and the 4 pieces of coral. The tank measures 25 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 51 centimeters. It is filled with 6.8 gallons of water. In it has 3.5 cups of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of dechlorinator. Here is the heater. It adjusted the temperature to 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. Here's the pump, and it adjusted the water circulation to 210 GPH. This is the thermometer to measure the temperature of the water to make sure we are at the right level. And here are our 4 coral pieces. They are of the ring star polyps species, and when we brought them home, we placed them each in a corner to get them familiar with the environment of this tank. And after they are familiarized, which is about 1 to 2 months after we brought them home, we start to fragment them into 1/4, 1/2, 1 and 2 centimeters square fragments. And we also place them each in a corner to be easy to differentiate them. And every week we take each of them out and we measure their mass by grams, and then glue them back in. We also use the saltwater testing kit to make sure that the water does not contain any nutrient levels that are too high or too low for the corals to live in. Yeah, that's it. That is our methods and materials.
I'm Maddie Williams, and these are the results of our experiment. As seen in our table, we observed small changes in the larger pieces of coral, but the 2 smallest sizes both showed no signs of growths. As seen in our graph, both the 1 and 2 centimeter grew by 0.1 grams within the first 3 weeks, but then stabilized for the remainder of the experiment. However, due to several different concerns with our corals and the materials we used, we cannot confidently confirm that these results are accurate and can be used in this field.
And this is Ayla Crowell moving on to discussion. With this unreliable data due to lack of coral growth, lack of data accuracy, and our small sample size, our hypothesis was neither supported nor rejected. One example of how our lack of time, money, and experience affected this coral was our bleached coral. This happened in the acclimation stage and was not used as one of our frags, but based off of observation, we could see that it was no longer growing. We also had green coralline algae, which was on the frags that we used in the experiment, and most likely affected and slowed down the coral growth for all of them. Although we were able to show that a size other than the commonly used 1 centimeter squared frag would be efficient, it's still a possibility that should be explored. In the future, studies with more time, money, and knowledge should specifically look at different frag sizes with different species and in different environments.
Hello, I'm Emilio with the conclusion section of our project. Our conclusion was that our hypothesis could neither be rejected nor supported. There was minimal variation in data, which led to inconclusive results, and due to a variety of factors, no discernible trends could be found in our set of data, which means that no scientific claim could be supported. Thank you.